Ngine koni ati tutengerete mambura ya Madaraka yakathithirika kinene KEMBU kirane ne kyomba wikirwa kana kumwanyanto nkurukiye ngiri nyanya na magana kenda ukaria bakwana nebo ikino bangania bure akuye kurike burubone kuringana na PS okaribonde ne RAYMOND OMOLLO abiachara ibore itwe kwa ilianto baraba gwita KAUNTI utha imbere ya mambura ya nonto gakwedra nende kwina ganya gake akabo kugunika kibiachara ritomwaniki na kulikibia.
Kivaro kia EMBU kivakuvi kurika mbere ya mambura ma Madaraka Day maria magakora guku tariki 1 mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu. Kuringana na PS wa Interior niwe RAYMOND OMOLLO vuva ya gusera kivaro giki mari na PS engi atano kuma mvonge ngurani arauga ugitiri ni wa kwigana na ugu akauria andu akuma miena ngurani ya bururi na makiria kaunti ya EMBU kwiyumiria niguo gukungwira mambura mama.
The stadium where the celebrations will be hosted has a capacity of 8,900 people, and we are expecting that the stadium will be filled to capacity. Later in the afternoon, the President will host a luncheon mainly for the residents of EMBU County and other dignitaries and invited guests from across the country.
Guko RAYMOND akiuga kivaro giki gigakora ari kiguni kinene kuri ayuthi na avuri biashara a kaunti ya EMBU kuona giakitwe u ati no kivote gukorwa na mambura na mithako ngurani vindi cionthe.
To ensure that that facility is put into good use and we will be able to attract a lot of activities within that facility. And the facility, apart from just having the pitch for playing football, there's a track for athletics, but it also has a conference facility. And then there are also sheds for the business community, so that we will not just be relying on this facility for purposes of sports alone, but also to spur business in EMBU County.
Mwenari wake, Governor wa kaunti ya EMBU niwe Cecily Mbalire ni uratara avuri biashara onthe a kaunti ya EMBU gwosa kanya gaka EMBU kuri na ageni engi niguo kwendie makiria na niguo gukuria biashara ciao.
Aria maina mahoteli mevaririe wega ni twaritie nao mevaririe hakikisha rumu cienyu mahoteli menyu kuri andu makarira ni kundu kwega na mwivaririe na irio cia kuruga nigetha ageni mone gwa gukaria. Ino ni nafasi yenyu ya kuthondeka kanyamu aria maina tutuka mustoku nduka cienyu tondu ni mukagurirwa ni ageni aria magauka wanatu andu a EMBU twauka EMBU town ni tugauka na turia na tunywe koguo twivariria.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya EMBU mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.